All right, hello everyone. A really quick unboxing. I got two more packages inside of the mail. I want to see what's inside of this, so let's go ahead and open this up. We're not gonna waste any time. We're just gonna get right into it. Looks like both of these are from Amazon. I can't remember what I ordered, so this is gonna be a complete surprise to me. I'm sure they're movies, but we're gonna see. All right. Oh man. Ho ho. All right, the first one. This is Conan, the complete quest. This is Conan the Barbarian and Conan the Destroyer on Blu-ray. Now, the reason I bought this, I'm trying to make a DVD that is so freaking old. I'm trying to make a 4K UHD collection of all of my favorite movies. But when it comes to 4K, not everything that I like is available on 4K. So the next best thing that you might be able to find it on is Blu-ray. So they don't have Conan the Barbarian and the Destroyer on 4K yet. So I obviously went ahead and bought the Blu-ray one. But this one is pretty loaded with special features. It says it has Conan the Barbarian deleted scenes, Conan on Chain, the making of Conan, Art of Steel, Sword Makers and Masters, Conan from the Vault, special effects, the Conan Archives, Conan the Barbarian feature commentary with director John Milius and Arnold Schwarzenegger, theatrical trailers, and more. So, highly looking forward to looking at this one. And this is my favorite animation of all time and my favorite Japanese comic book character. This character is like the Japanese James Bond. He's been around since 1969, and his name is Golgo 13. He's a professional assassin. And this is my favorite animation of all time. It's called The Professional Golgo 13. This is a very adult movie, which is as violent as ROBOCOP 1, the uncut version is of that, is how violent this movie is. There's lots of things inside of this movie that I can't speak of, such as the word that starts with R that happens to ladies. So much violence and killing inside of this. People getting assassinated and murdered left and right. This is truly an animation that is made for adults. Do not show this to your kids by any means, but this is very good. The writing is so good and the story is so good inside of this one. I look at this one over and over again. Unfortunately, the sequel has never made it up to the standards that this one is, but yeah, this is very good and my favorite. One of my top 30 movies of all time, being that it's animated. And again, this is not on 4K, so I had to get the Blu-ray. And let's see what's inside of the last package here. Let's go ahead and cut this open. I think I have an idea what this is. This is the last movie that I ordered, and it will be the last movie that I order for a while. But yeah, okay, there we go. 4K Ultra UHD and the Blu-ray and the digital code for Al Pacino's Scarface. This is the gold edition. Let's put that up there. Get Al Pacino showing. All right. And you got this nice slip cover to it. You could take this out of there. So I got a series of Al Pacino movies. Now I got the quadrilogy because you saw me unbox the other day the Godfather trilogy in 4K, and now I have this one to go with it. There's a lot of Al Pacino movies that I like. I guess I next need Dog Day Afternoon and Serpico, I would say, are two other top ones that I love with him, and Carlito's Way. So there's so many Al Pacino movies that I could collect, but I got my top 4 Al Pacino movies now. So there's that. Now what's inside of this gold edition? It says there's something that says Scarface 35th Anniversary Reunion, an all-new conversation with director Brian De Palma, Al Pacino, Michelle Pfeiffer, Stephen Bauer from the Tribeca Film Festival, plus the Scarface phenomenon, don't know what that is, the world of Tony Montana, the rebirth, the acting, the creating, deleted scenes, Scarface, the TV version, and more. So this is pretty as loaded as you can get for a 4K UHD. So I'm looking forward to looking at this one. So I got 4 movies that I truly love inside the mail. Now I'm not saying that these are the greatest top 4 movies of all time or anything like that. But when it comes to me, like I said inside of previous videos, I just only want to buy my top 30 movies of all time that I enjoy. I don't give a shit about what it is that you like. I just want to buy what I like. And these are within the top 30. Now, I'm not necessarily saying that Conan the Destroyer is in the top 30, but Conan the Barbarian is in my top 30, and it just so happens that the Destroyer happens to come inside of this packaging. So, you know, by association, by virtue, I have the Destroyer with it. So I got a 2-in-1 deal. But I like Conan the Barbarian more. Got the Professional Golgo 13 and Scarface, the Gold Edition in 4K UHD. Man, I got some movies I gotta look forward to, and I'm gonna review them all for you guys on this channel and let you know what I think about every single one of them. Yeah, I'm very happy that I finally got my last 4 movies inside of the mail. There they are right there. I thank you guys for watching this video. Salute to you wherever you may be out inside the world, and I will see you guys in the next one. Before I close this out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because I got so much entertainment for you guys to delve into from this channel. So many helpful reviews that I'm going to jump into. Whether this channel is entertaining or informative, you're going to subscribe to it for one of those 2 reasons, hopefully both. Just stick with me, and I'm going to have and produce a lot more better content for you guys to enjoy. So anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Salute to you wherever you may be out inside the world. And until next time, keep it classy.